Hey everybody, welcome back to another glorious day on the racetrack. Had a good sleep last night. A few more people showed up this morning. It's gonna be a glorious day. Got Mike on the grill over there cooking up some breakfast. He forgot the eggs, so he's getting creative. Yep, there's really nothing to do on the car. Got everything done last night. Did a fresh oil change on her. Re-gapped the plugs. Took the gap down to a 15 gap, redid the gaps. Got the gaps down to a 12 gap on them. Speed them up a little bit. We'll do the first qualifying pass. If she still breaks up, we're gonna switch to the copper plugs and just see if we can get any better. I brought a set with me of the coppers, so try these iridiums out. I don't know if I like them very much, but you know, I've always run the NGK 4554s, and they always seem to work really good. So, but switched them out to the iridiums on the dyno, hoping it would get better. But, yeah, so it's currently like 8:15 right now. The gates are going to open up at 9, and I believe tech opens up at 10. First round of qualifying is at 11 o'clock, so we just got a couple more hours of sitting back relaxing, going over the strategy for the day, and hopefully everything goes good. All right, guys, got her all teched in. Number 546. Car's pretty much all ready to go. We got it all figured out last night, hopefully. They got Pro class going up first. After that, they're doing 9.0 class, and after that, we are doing the 10.0 class. That's me. And whew, here come the butterflies. All right, guys, first round qualifying. Looks like I'm going up against a GTR. I'm trying to cut the light, see how good I can get it. Hopefully she doesn't break up top. Here's his first qualifying against the GTR. We're going to get the left lane over here. Woo, slid to the right a little bit. Alright, let's see what happens here. He let out. I think it did the same thing again. That's it. She blew up. Intake manifold popped. First time we managed to break one of those. Yeah. Okay. we're done. All right, guys, that's it. We're done for the day. Intake totally blew up. All right, went right on that seam. I need to make this a bit thicker, apparently. Waiting on the track guy to come and push me back, and we can put her on the trailer, because I don't have another intake. Oh, that sucks. Well, I'm gonna wait for the guy with the four-wheeler to come and push me, so see how long it takes. I need some tape or something too. Over there. I don't even know if we have any tape. I think I have a roll of that Gorilla patch tape in my car. Alright guys, so we got one more opportunity at this, hopefully. We're going to try some JB Weld, see if she holds together. The engine's kind of held together with this stuff. Water jacket with it, so this is some JB Marine Weld. Nobody had JB Quick, this is the best we can get. Dab it down here nice and thick.
We found a problem right here. Get the camera on this. You can see where there's de-lambing. When it's printing, it's not sticking together properly right here, and it's giving it a whole big old giant weak area on that wall.
We're fixing it
so
right now.
We're gonna try to do what we can do for right now, and then change the print design. Change that up.
Might be in the print settings.
No, it's how it's printing it. It's not holding them together. Alright, this is ready enough.
Okay, I'm getting there.
Hey, but all we can find is electrical.
Something just to hold it down while it's drying. Nice.
You might need a lot more thicker than that, bud.
I'm doing the thing. It's getting thick really quick. I'm trying to be quick. Holy shit. I'm running out of time already. Alright.
Well, duct tape or electric tape?
Give me that thing. Give me that scraper. Hold on, I gotta watch it.
Line it up. Yes, you can.
Can you take weight off this, by the way?
Yep. Just lean on it for 5 minutes. That's all it takes. Work hard. It'll be cured an hour. I'll lean on it.
You get on there.
JB Weld to the rescue. Hopefully, we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna have Jamie turn it back down to 8 pounds. Alright guys, so got our all JB welded back on. It's mostly done. We got the JB Marine up in there. It's gotten rock hard already. Mike put an extra layer of just regular JB plastic weld on the outside edge, try to hopefully seal it up a little bit. Got throttle body on and everything, and so hopefully she holds. I had Brent actually turn it down to 8 psi. She's back on the gate, but I did a 10.4 on the gate, which really sucks because I'm gonna be racing the fastest guy, so I gotta get the best reaction time I can and just drive the shit out of it. You know, we've got a perfect shift every time to even have a chance. But I don't care as long as I get one more pass.
Alright guys, we have it glued back together, literally glued together in there. Chris is gonna go in there and see if this thing will start. Oh, I want to grab that wrench. Hopefully it starts, it doesn't go crazy on idle.
Got a classic Nova car.
Shut up. Alright, shut it off.
That's enough.
I'm
good.
It's working.
It's gotta dry a little longer still, so.
It worked. Alright, let it dry for a little longer.
Yeah.
Sweet. Who wants party time? Party time!
Yeah, we're gonna go to driver's meeting. After driver's meeting, I'm gonna 2-step it. It'll be under 5 pounds at 2-step. So if it holds that, then we'll go ahead and run it again. Alright guys, so this is National Anthem and driver's meeting. So it's time to 2-step this thing and see if it holds. Let it warm up for a little bit.
Let's go to 850. You should be in the lanes. 1150, come on up. Pair up, get your dancing partner. Somebody's gonna win Somebody ain't gonna be too happy, but hey.
Right back around down. See how Mike put that intake on there perfectly after it's straight? Well, it lifted a little bit here. You could clearly see it wanted to open up a little bit.
4.5 pounds.
But, alright. So it held for that.
Hell, let's see if it holds double.
Yeah, it just looks like this was trying to flex in the same spot. Alright, well, we'll find out, won't we?
Yeah, we'll find out. See if he blows up again. Alright guys, they just called us up to the staging lanes. Wish me luck. The JB Weld job, hopefully that holds. Got JB Marine on there, and shit, it held 5 pounds or 4 pounds. See how she does on 8.
Versus the all-wheel drive D series that ran the fastest passes yet, and because our intake blew up, we ran the slowest. Number 1, number 16. Ooh, left lane red lit. We moved on. And then remember what I told you about having a little bit of luck? Yep. Let's go. Let's go.
Yep, I'm out. I was right there on him now. That was a good race. Really good race. Not bad for the fastest guy.
Remember what I said about a little bit of luck?
She held.
He red lit.
What?
Yep.
No fucking
yes,
way.
He did. He red lit.
Oh shit. Yeah. Oh, we're still in it. Nice.
Yeah.
Can I take a picture of that?
And she did another 10-4.
Right on.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you.
Yep.
Let's get in the shade. Let's get in the shade.
All right, let's push it back.
All right, let's get that generator started. Oh man, we ain't got a lot of time. All right, guys, I'm still in it with a JB welded together intake manifold that previously exploded, but I did a 10-4 once again. Pretty consistent at 10-4. That's just what she does at this boost. But I think I might have Jamie come over here and add a couple more pounds. Not 12 pounds. We'll just go with a 10 pound on 3rd and 4th gear. Just to make me a smidge faster. and give me a better chance, because I'm not doing very good reaction times apparently. But dude red lit, I went and shook his hand, wished him a good race, you know, but he's still in it. We got a chance. All right guys, so bad news. Apparently I'm not moving on to the next round. My opponent on the last race did not red light. Even though the tower says he red lights, my video shows a red light on. But when you look at the camera view from the other side of the track, red light's not on. It was just the sun. That's how the tower got confused, because the tower even said, I'm pretty sure, that he red lit and that I won. But you know, that's what happens. I just got done cooking some food. I'm drinking a not victory twisted tea, you know, because I'm not driving anymore. So, but got some weather moving in though anyways. I'm gonna try to stick around for the pro class race. My boy Zach is in it, and he's gonna be racing Morgan in the blue Civic. It's gonna be, he's got to pull off quite a race because Morgan pulled off a 10, or I'm sorry, an 8.3, and Zach's best time is an 8.6. So hopefully he can pull something up. We'll see if he wins.
That's when the old crimson ball comes on. Slight advantage, baby. Slight advantage. Here, right lane. How about 8:36 with a 0.
Good grind,
178 mile an hour. That's as fast as the day right there.